Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got yet another Copperhead 52 rolling out the shop today. This is one of our best backyard selling pits we've ever built. Let's check out why. So like I said, Copperhead 52, that is our octagon smoke chamber design here. As you can see, we got copper accents as far as the eye can see. We'll open it up here. Now inside, you've got two sliding trays, bottom and top. Now, not only does the octagon design look badass, all right, it actually gives you quite a bit more space in the smoke chamber. You get a little more clearance, top and bottom rack, and your top rack's a little deeper. So it does give you a little more cook room. Now, this is a reverse flow pit. We got removable plates down here that direct the heat all the way across the bottom and then back out of the stack. As you can see, it is mounted on our off-road package. Got some upgraded wheels and tires on there. We also upgraded to a stainless steel shelf up here. We'll crack open our hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here, guys. Y'all know the deal, 1,776 square inches of cook space. That's just because we love America, all right? Now, in the bottom of this hot box, we've got a removable plate with daisy wheels. Allows you to control the temperature inside independent from the smoke chamber. You can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. You can also pull that plate out and get direct fire in there. Kind of makes it work like a direct heat cooker. Open up the firebox here. Now this is our insulated firebox. We got a couple upgrades in here, one being our fire magnet cradle and the other being a propane assist to help get your fire going. Last thing we got, D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners and a fold down stack to wrap it up. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.